The zoo is huge! I want to see lions first!
Stay close together.
Today will be fun.
Look at the monkeys! They're so funny!
Do not feed them.
Wow! The zoo is huge!
I want to see lions first!
Stay close together. Today will be fun.
Here are so many animals.
Which way is the lion area? Maybe we left?
Wait, I think we are lost.
Maybe we should follow colors.
Colors?
The map uses colored paths.
This zoo is confusing.
I cannot find penguins. And I cannot find lions. Blue path says ocean animals.
Good observation.
Sophie helped us.
Penguins! They are adorable.
They swim so fast.
Water!
That penguin likes you.
Who wants sandwiches?
Me! It landed near the giraffes. Those giraffes are tall.
I got the map.
Lions! They are huge!
Beautiful animals.
Look at their long necks.
Amazing! One giraffe is eating leaves.
Are you looking for lions?
Yes,
Follow the red path.
this path looks cool. It feels like a jungle. Listen to the animal sounds.
That roar is loud!
A little scary, too.
But,
Exciting.
wow, butterflies.
They are beautiful. One landed on my arm.
Sometimes getting lost is fun.
I agree. A zoo train! Can we ride it?
Of course.
Last adventure today. Today was special.
Best zoo trip ever! Even when we got lost. This is awesome! We can see elephants! I want to come again. Me too!
Next time with 2 maps.
Smile, everyone.
Cheese! I want to come again. Me too!
Next time with 2 maps.